Metaltech 4x4 started out in the founding owner's garage in 1999 after 14 years as a hobby. Officially founded as Metaltech Cage LLC in 2000, Metaltech started out designing and building the world's finest roll cages for Toyota 40 Series Land Cruisers, found around the world and featured on shows like Top Gear. Today, designs, engineers, and builds specialized contract parts, as well as our own brand of high-performance off-road products for Toyota, Lexus, and Ford 4x4s, all using state-of-the-art 3D scanning, CAD engineering tools, CNC machining, as well as advanced robotic welding, all within the walls of our own facility. Metaltech 4x4 is based in Pacific Northwest in Newberg, Oregon, and is distributed across the United States and is found internationally in over 40 countries. Employing staff across design, development, production, technical support, and customer service, Metaltech continues to grow, yet still is a small family-owned business that supports the local community and veterans. Metaltech strives to be customer-focused, providing superior manufacturing and product knowledge, helping our customers with their missions to get them out there and back again.